All right, guys, Boncare has a couple different of their digital thermometers. So they have some that are a little on the more gentle side and others that are the better oral thermometers. This is a awesome product here. You can see some of the details. It has a L41 battery in it, so if you ever needed to replace it. But let's go ahead and see what we are working with here. Check out that nice blue color. Comes in a case, which keeps it nice and protected, which is super important. It says start measuring when you see the low F. Low does not mean battery is low. So that's a good indicator, and why it's so important. It's on there so that you don't have any issues with it. Let's go ahead and get this opened up, see how easy it is to take the temperature with it. Inside of this, you do have the guide on how to use it. You have a nice malleable. This is a thermometer that can be used orally. It can also be used. Let's check all the other options. Seeing how it goes here. So oral, rectal, auxiliary. So wipe underarm with a dry towel. You can go there, which is super important. So you do have the different options. You have your battery, which is going to be in the back of it. So that is important. And then you want to pull this little pull tab off of it before you use the first time. That's just good to get it prepped and ready to be used. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on just like so. One click. I am not 106.7, but it's got nothing. Let's go ahead and follow the use here. So let's put the probe in either mark by check. Got it. So with the probe, you're going to actually put it on the left or the right side underneath the tongue. So that's super important. And hold 10 to 20 seconds to ensure the accuracy. Please keep mouth closed for 5 minutes before taking temperature. So that's super important. You want to make sure you're doing that. So we're going to go 10 to 20 seconds. So it's off now. Here we go. So there's our temperature, 97.7 on that. Now, mind you, there's two spots on the tongue, underneath the tongue and in the mouth, which you can see right there where you want to put it. You're not going to put it up in the front. It's going to be on the back, underneath the tongue on each one of those. You do have an option for rectal use. Recommends with petroleum jelly, and then also you do have the under the armpit use as well, which you can do that. Now, obviously, I got a shirt on, so it's not going to work well, but not going to lie, it is a nice overall thermometer that was super simple to use, easy to turn off, one button click, making it happen just like that. Guys, check out the Boncare. They got awesome products, awesome thermometers. They're definitely the way to go. Check them out.